What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Big P on the block. You already know how I rock. Back in this thing like I left some, you feel me? If you new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of this G Nation. It's a G Nation. If you win, use a G, my nigga, straight like that. But we got some motherfucking little shit. We got one Hoover member handling his candle against 3 neighborhood Crips. You feel me? Now, I ain't the one to put out, violence and none of that, but salute to this man for handling his candle. Straight up.
But damn, it's a lot of them. Look, well, my partner, them, my folks with you the long way. Lil Reese, Whoop the Duck and Bernie had that long down. Duke and Booby, Trey 5 in the party at that 7-0. My nigga, bro, he keep the bang. Best believe he had it on. Damo, Corday, yeah, Hossie, yeah, fuck y'all. Got some beats, call us for any nigga who buck y'all. Samson, I fuck okay. He be going bucks too. T-Boy, I fuck around and put a nigga in the trunk to you. Riri, Love Beat, Tay, and TT. 06 back crazy, Lady Lamb, they be 300. But damn.
Now shout out to Normandy verse, Normandy Metaverse or Normandy, yeah, he the one that usually put this content. I got this from his page, but yeah, what can I say? Hey, salute to that member who stood his ground. You feel me? Didn't fold, fall, stumble, or mumble. You feel me? He handled his business. You feel me? It's just a quick one. I just seen it. Had to throw it out to, the masses. Whoever gon', see this and shit. Hey, salute to that man. Feel me? It's a lot of niggas would have failed, just balled up in that situation. He didn't, you feel me? He had his, I ain't gonna say his head up. I seen some little swimming, but nah, fuck around. He did his thing, you feel me? He did what he was supposed to do, you feel me? On his hand, dropped the nigga and all that. So hey, salute to you, my nigga. Straight up, man. Keep doing your thug. 2-1. I'm just a nigga off Normandy though. Shout out to Normandy Metaverse though. E3, we up out of here. Just a nigga off Normandy.